أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this session, we are going to look into how to use RCommander for regression analysis. So what I'm going to do is, let's go to Packages, RCMDR. Now let's click here. Now it is detached now. Let's attach it again. Click here. And now your package is displayed, or the dialog box for RCommander is displayed. Now the first thing is, I'm just going to select my data. Click here, and if you've used one previously, you will see it here. So let's load it. Go to data, import data, and let's do it from, let's say, SPSS dataset. Enter the dataset as, let's say, currently used. Press OK. And where is my dataset? This is my dataset. Open it, and it loads well. Now, how do I run linear regression in RCommander? Go to Statistics, Fit Models, Linear Regression. What is your response variable? My response variable is organizational performance. I will select this one here. And my explanatory variables, now you can select more than one. And in this case, it is development. And then it is vision. Here it is. Make sure you press the control button and then click vision, so that both development and vision are selected like this. Here, look at this. Nothing else needs to be done. Just simply press apply. And here are your results. Let's close this one and move the dialog box up a bit. And here it is. Here are your results for your regression analysis from RCommander. Now we can use these results and report it. Now, is the impact of development on organizational performance significant? Yes, the estimate is very good. The standard error, the t-value, it is greater than 1.96. The p-value, and it is 3 asterisks, that is 3 stars. This is 0.000. And this is less than 0.001. So hence you can say development has a significant impact on the organizational performance. The same is the vision. The t-value is greater than 1.96, and there are 3 stars as well. Look at the R square, 0.5635. This means, and if you multiply it with 100, this would mean 56.4% change in your dependent variable, which is organizational performance, is being caused by vision and development. Now this is adjusted R square, the F statistics here. Now 2 is the degrees of freedom, 338 is the residual, and the p-value, again you can convert it into proper decimal points using Excel. Let's say, let me copy it here. Let's copy it, open Excel, now paste it here, press enter, right click, format cells, number, and this will be 3 decimal points, 0.000. Now if you obviously convert it, the whole thing will be like this, but we are just going through the 3 decimal points. Let's go back to R. Now both of these predictors have a significant impact on the dependent variable. Now how do we report these results? I've got a template here which I'm going to briefly discuss. Now here are my hypothesis results template. So this is the objective of my study, to assess the impact of vision and development on organizational performance, and I've got these 2 proposed hypotheses. One is for vision, the other one is for development. Now the dependent variable organizational performance was regressed on the predicting variables of vision and development. The independent variables have a significant impact on OP. Now this is your F statistics. Let's double check. So it is 338, not 337. Here it is. Now what is your F statistics? Here it is 218.2. So just change it 218.2. The p-value is fine, and the R square was 5635. So this shows that 56.35% of the change in organizational performance is being caused by vision and development. And similarly, you will assess each of the predictors and its impact on OP that will substantiate your hypothesis. So H1 evaluates the impact of vision on organizational performance. So where is your beta value, T value and P value? Here it is. This is your beta value 531, the T value, and the P value is 0.000 as you convert it in Excel as well. So you can simply put these values here. Beta value 0.531. Okay, this is for vision. So let's do it for vision. 0.265. So here it is 0.265, and the T statistics is 6.001. 6.001, and similarly you can do for development as well. And finally, you can report your results in this table by just simply adding the beta value, the T value, and the P value. And this was 5635, this was 218.2. So this is how you can use RCommander to perform linear regression analysis. Now we can also use this function here manually. Let's see how to do it. Let's copy it. Let's paste it. Now if you use it like this directly, what will happen is it won't give you the detailed results. Now let's run it. Now since you have just copied it directly, it won't give you the detailed results. So what you need to do is you just need to put the results in an object, and then let's call the summary for the model. So let's first run this, put the results in the object model, and then call the summary function, and then you will have all those details like this. So once, if you want to run it like this manually, we have already got a video on that as well. So I'll share it in the description as well. So you can run the commands that are provided by RCommander manually as well. Thank you very much.